Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change board name on Pinterest. Maybe you have created a board on Pinterest, but you want to change the name of the board to something more appropriate or catchy. So today, I'm going to show you how to change board name on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this page, you will see all the boards that you have created. Here, find the board that you want to rename and tap on it. Once you are on the board page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and here, select the Edit Board option. Now, you will see a window where you can edit your board's name, description, and cover image. To change the name of your board, simply tap on the current name and delete it. After that, you can now type in the new name that you want to use. Once you have entered the new name, tap on this down button at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you now have successfully changed the name of your board on Pinterest. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change board name on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change board name on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.